Yeah, hi, Christian, Italy. It's Mark in UK. Just to let you know that I've done your laser here. Okay, on inspection, this is the original one. I could not find any faults with this. Okay, so that's your number one there. All right, so I'll put that on. And like I say, I can't find any faults with this whatsoever. It starts up first time, works perfect in every way. Please see the video. Let me just turn the music up for you. So you can see that is working absolutely fine. And I've had that running now for, well, I've had it running pretty much all morning and not had any issues. So I'm just going to go up the track. So ready? See, so let's go in up a track. I'm going to go back a track. Okay, so this is back. Up. Got to go up a few more tracks. So it's running perfectly because if you go up, right, so I'm going to go really back down fast. Okay, so I'm going to go back down to track 2 really fast. So I'm just going to push stop. So as you can see, there is absolutely zero problems with that one. So hopefully, when you put this one back in, it should be working fine for you. I've checked it and double checked it and had it running for hours on many different CDs, and I'm not getting any faults. So give that one a try again.